So first up, we have Mother's Day. And my idea for Mother's Day is to curate a beautiful spa experience for the mom in your life with some products that they may not have known about so they can really discover the products. So just a few of my favorites right now. So these Goop bath soaks are so luxurious, so amazing. Honestly, I ordered these in like every single flavor, quote unquote, that they come in.
This is the martini.
Oh my gosh. In addition to that, we have some really cozy, beautiful slippers. We have a furry robe. We have a beautiful smelling candle. Now, something that I think really adds to the spa experience is I'm really into essential oils and diffusing essential oils. So we have a beautiful sort of chic little diffuser here. And then one of my favorite essential oils right now is this Citrus Bliss by doTERRA. Smell this. It's so citrusy,
fabulous.
But it's also almost vanilla-y. It's
fabulous.
It's really, really sort of uplifting. It's a crowd pleaser. So
that just made me relax.
I know, didn't it? We're gonna make our own body scrub. That's your little DIY component. So this is so easy.
I was gonna
Anybody
eat this,
can do
so I'm really happy that you said that.
So we're gonna put the
what is this?
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Oh, this is like sugar rubs. That
Exactly.
You see in the,
So this is it's by the way all natural. It's super healthy. It's really inexpensive. So you're gonna put that brown sugar, and then you're gonna put about a cup of coconut oil. If it's easier too, you can warm up the coconut oil for about 20 seconds to make it combine a little easier. We're gonna add about 10 to 12 drops of this essential oil. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
She's gonna smell good.
Oh yeah. And then here we have it obviously already mixed.
Oh, there's one already mixed together.
Yeah, and we're just gonna put it into a beautiful little mason jar or a container, and then we're gonna write our little note to mom and just put it in your
Super cute.
Today, for our teacher gift box, we have a reduce, reuse, and recycle theme. So this is super cute for a teacher who's, bringing forth the next generation of people. So what we have here is an amazing recycled DIY planter. So this is actually from a soda bottle. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this right over here. And it's a really nice way for your child to get involved. So here we have a soda bottle. You're gonna cut off the top, and then you cut them into these cute little shapes.
Oh, you got a bunny.
Yours is a kitty cat.
And I got a cat.
Paint it with white paint to kind of construct your planter. You're gonna wanna do 2 or 3 coats of this. And then you're gonna wanna let it dry for a few hours, and then you're just gonna draw your little face. So it's super easy. You can just make your little nose, and your little mouth, and your whiskers, and your little plant that you put in here.
So cute.
And then you can add in a beautiful reusable water bottle as well as a coffee mug, and you have a gift that is so great for the environment.
That's great.
Our last box is for the graduate in your life.
Oh, cool.
It is graduation season.
It's graduation season.
Yes, and as much as they would love, I'm sure, a gift certificate to the local restaurant where they're going off to school, you know what they really need is an awesome way to feel at home in their new space. So this box is all about getting settled in their new space when they go off and leave the nest. And what we have here is a really fun little mix of things. We have a first aid kit. So then we have a little
I love this. Seriously, there's a hammer to hang their pictures and things.
We have some no damage hooks for the walls to hang mirrors and things. And then, of course, you need to send them off with a picture of the 2 of you.
Aww.
So we are going to do, so for this, all you need is a little container of water.
Okay.
You're gonna put about 1 inch or 2 in there, and you need a few different colors of nail polish. Okay, we're just gonna kind of make a swirly pattern here.
Just pour it right in there?
Yep, little swirly pattern. There we go. Let's add a little bit of white. Okay, now we're gonna take our picture frame. You're gonna put the bottom facing down.
Okay.
And you're gonna kind of just...
You're just using tension there.
Yep. Just put it to the surface.
That is so cool!